Hello there, and welcome back to Coin Daily. The prohibition on cryptocurrency in China resulted in a massive market crash. This is heartbreaking news. But, one of the first public blockchains to join Nervos was China's blockchain-based services network, which is something you should know about crypto in China. Cardano and the Nervos network, an open-source public blockchain ecosystem, have announced a significant cooperation. In today's video, we'll discuss Cardano's cooperation with Nervos, which attempts to bridge the divide between the United States and China. Cardano ADA has a tremendous chance to become the next big thing in China, as it is poised to become the next important cryptocurrency to acquire traction in this neighboring nation. Make sure to watch to the conclusion of the video because we'll be discussing this game-changing partnership and when ADA may hit $10. But before we get started, if you enjoy this sort of material, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and set on alerts so you don't miss out on any fresh investment news. According to a CNBC article published on July 7, 2021, China banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing cryptocurrency-related services in May. People suspected of using cryptocurrency in illegal ways were arrested in large numbers in China in June, and regulators increased the pressure on banks and payment companies to stop providing cryptocurrency-related services. Half of the world's Bitcoin miners have gone silent as of July, following Beijing's call for a severe crackdown on Bitcoin mining and trade. China's government is doing all they can to guarantee that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies disappear from the Chinese financial system and economy, says Fred Thiel, CEO of Marathon Digital Holdings and a member of the Bitcoin Mining Council. Whether or not Bitcoin originated in Asia, the region plays a significant part in the cryptocurrency industry, which is why China's crypto prohibition would have had a significant impact on the market. Despite its difficult history with Bitcoin, the People's Republic of China is a prominent crypto player. Are Bitcoin and cryptocurrency values completely reliant on China, according to the article? Investopedia has an article on it. China accounted for almost 90% of cryptocurrency trade volumes before the government placed a ban on Bitcoin trading. So, if cryptocurrency isn't allowed in China, how can Cardano ADA get in? Nervos, this is where the fun begins. IOC, China's top public blockchain and blockchain developers, are working together to create a cross-chain bridge that will connect the Cardano and Nervos networks. This is Cardano's first connection between billion-dollar ecologies. It promotes Nervos and Cardano's goal of creating Bluetooth moments in the blockchain sector, in which consumers have a uniform experience across all blockchain networks, regardless of which chain they are using. Through a process known as token wrapping, users will be able to interact with Nervos and Cardano's native currencies and produce tokens that may be utilized across both blockchains. Developers on both chains will have access to services and features that will aid in the growth of their user bases and decentralized apps. The bridge will make IOC's industry-leading token solution for Cardano, as well as the DeFi dApp created on top of the Plutus smart contracts and other Cardano capabilities deployed through sidechains and state channels, available to Nervos platform developers. To elaborate, the Cardano and Nervos technologies will be used to encapsulate the tokens, reducing the complexity, expense, and inefficiencies while keeping unique smart contract logic to implement tokens. In addition to those benefits, not requiring bespoke programming eliminates the danger of human mistake, which may result in enormous losses, as the industry experienced in 2017 when system failures resulted in the loss of over $300 million in Ethereum cryptocurrency. The bridge will also let users to create assets that take use of all of ADA's operational benefits, allowing projects to benefit from the blockchain's market-leading levels of speed and security for free. These are the most recent initiatives, and Nervos and IOC have been working together for a long time. The two public blockchain ecosystems announced in December that they will work on research papers on UXO model improvements, future open-source developments, and the development of a worldwide accounting standard. The Chainlink bridge would improve the entire network, said Kevin Wang, a co-founder of Nervos. We have been expanding our research and development partnership, he said, but now we have a physical bridge that will also display the Force Bridge's potential and drive us farther down the path to a fully interoperable network. Furthermore, with financial help from Nervos in the form of a grant to link Cardano to the bridge, Mousebelt, a full-service blockchain accelerator, will assist in the bridge's creation. The Cardano team will contribute its expertise and resources to the bridge project, which has already begun and is anticipated to be finished shortly. The Cardano community is buzzing about this cooperation between Cardano and the Nervos network. This partnership might be a method for ADA to enter China and grow as a cryptocurrency, given that China accounted for a major portion of trade volumes when crypto was not yet outlawed in the nation. Cardano is also one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies nowadays. Several financial investors have partnered with the crypto sector to recognize the industry's promising future. Since 2017, Cardano ADA has developed into a significant column as a consequence of this excellent value generation performance. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, many people have price objectives in mind. When it comes to breaking the $10 barrier, however, many people have price targets in mind. The Dogecoin community has reached a significant milestone of $1, while the Ethereum community has reached a significant milestone of $10,000. ADA enthusiasts, on the other hand, are eager to see when the token will achieve a value of $10. The currency was in a positive trend at the start of the year, according to an article published by Coinpedia in July 2021. After the Cardano Foundation produced an infographic suggesting that its ADA cryptocurrency is fit for Tesla, the old coin rose to an all-time high of $2.40. If the network focuses more on sustainability, it may attract environmentally conscious investors, increasing the price to $3.294 by year's end. If it does not make considerable progress, though, it may just keep its present investors who are loyal to the currency, because of its increased scalability and ease of usage. In such a case, the price might settle at an acceptable average of $2.761. Cardano might resume positive trading in 2022 if this year concludes with a predicted high. As a consequence, it will have a value range of $3.244 to $3.342. If the market goes negative and hits the lows at the end of the year, the ADA price in early 2022 will range from $2.298 to $2.521. Assume that the majority of celebrities come out against the negative environmental impacts of cryptocurrency behemoths like Bitcoin. In that event, Cardano's price will increase to a new high of $5.17, since ADA would be viewed as a superior option, and more people will begin to invest in the coin. However, if the network's accessibility continues to be an issue, the price may be reduced to $3.99. In 5 years, if Cardano implements an open voting system, it may lose a portion of its traders, leading the price to drop to $7.86. The pricing may linger around $12.73, assuming that ADA has stronger book avoidance methods and can continue to function successfully with the same system over time. If ADA is successful in identifying projects and alliances that might help it enhance its two-layer security, the price could go up. New smart contract upgrades may also begin to function well, culminating in an ADA price of $25.37 by the end of the following 5 years. As a consequence, the average Cardano price for 2025 is projected to be $10. Given the cryptocurrency's price projection, it appears that it will continue to generate high profits in the future. Many ADA bulls view the token as a means to save money on the next asset. The network is currently experimenting with new ideas. IOC, a Cardano developer, has teamed up with Wave Financial, a Los Angeles-based financial firm, to establish a $20 million seed fund. The fund will invest in startups and early-stage enterprises that use Cardano and other IOC tech initiatives like Enterprise Blockchain Atala, with investments ranging from $250,000 to $500,000. The seed fund is a 50-50 joint venture. Wave is seeking to raise the other half of the funds from outside investors, with IOC putting up $10 million as an anchor. Cardano has one of the largest market capitalization and daily transactions of any cryptocurrency, suggesting that it is popular among cryptocurrency aficionados. The value of coins has been gradually growing over the previous 4 years, despite regular price fluctuations. It has a large number of supporters who trust in its long-term growth potential, as seen by its current and prospective collaborations with major corporations. Cardano is gradually establishing itself as a cryptocurrency that will rise to the top in the future. That is all that I have for this video. I hope that you've learned something and gained additional insight about this project. If you are looking to invest, please be smart and make sure to research beforehand. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck.